We've got several different sections of the truck we're about to upgrade. TiCON is going to be at PRI this year. If you really love your vehicle, buy a titanium.
So we're working on the intake tube. We got our very funky pie cut piece that we had to shave down. We got a custom flange machine from our friend Sandy the machinist. Really nice job copying it, getting it to the same specs as the compressor inlet as this one. So we're pretty much making a new tube here. So we got 3.5 coming out, then we're gonna flare out. We're gonna transition to 4-inch, and then we got a 4-inch tie that's gonna replace all that. So we had to shave it down pretty drastically to get a really tight angle. The Y bridge sits right here, so we wanted to get that shaved down and nice and tight so we get the clear. We got nice proper clearance now, and yeah, there's that piece.
This episode is not brought to you by Bora Bora, but it's good shit. If you don't like it, then no, but seriously, strawberry basil, we're gonna call it a porcupine. Got a freaking porcupine with strawberries, hanging out with basils. This guy's riding a strawberry. Incredible. Oh, he's chopping. He's riding a strawberry, chopping basil leaves. Don't get any better than that. Woo! Yeah, I mean, sometimes I just walk up to the thing and I say, just look, would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? Would you just look at it? Oh, would you look at that? Oh! Yeah.
Just out here to show you what titanium can do for your ride. Here we got the originally fabricated intake tube. Nothing wrong with it. Served its purpose for many, many years, but time to do some upgrades. And for that, we're just gonna wave the magic titanium wand. 1, 2. Alakazam, baby! Look at that titanium! Woo! That is a beautiful piece, man. A lot of intricate parts going in here. Custom compressor inlet flange, machined by our very own Sandy the machinist. Did a great job on that. We got some 3.5 super tight, bumping out to 4. Going all the way to a custom MAF flange and going into the filter. So there's our compressor inlet. All right, we're all done with this crude metal intake. Properly dispose of it. We only work with precious metals. All titanium, all sick. Let's get this bad boy installed. People, come look at this. Come look at that. Come look at it. Would you come look at it? Come look at it. Pa, 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 Pa. Come here, come here, come here. Pa, come here. Look at it. Would you come look at it? Just come look at that. Would you come look at it? Come look at it. Come look at it. Pa, come look. Come look. Come look at it.
No.
Come look at that.
No.
Come look at it.
No.
Look at it.
No.
Look at that. Just come look at it.